Now it could be as simple as this. We just need to dig out the grass and weeds. You could use an old flathead screwdriver like this. It's going to be pretty labor intensive, and you want to really dig down to get out those roots as well. Now if you do have a string trimmer, you can kind of go across these expansion joints like an edging operation where you're not only cutting down the vegetation, but you're also kicking out some of that soil or debris that's within the expansion joint itself. But even with using your string trimmer, you're probably going to be left with something looking like this, where you still have quite a bit of soil built up. And this is kind of like a planter box. It's pretty perfect for vegetation. So to make sure we do not have that ideal scenario, go ahead and grab your garden hose and work your way down the expansion joint, shooting the stream right down the expansion joint, where you're able to actually get out quite a bit of that material, where you can dig down a couple inches below the concrete surface. Start from your high side and then work that dirt down to the low side, this low side being the street in this case. So I'll work the rest of the dirt off of that surface and then move on to my second expansion joint, taking your time and really just let the water do the work. If you shoot that stream right down the expansion joint, kind of horizontally, you'll see it start to hit the hard surface of that packed soil. Now do be careful, because this can blow back at you and get you wet or muddy in the process. So hopefully now you got all the weeds cleared out, but honestly, you're probably gonna have to do that every year or so. If you want to make this kind of maintenance free, you need to use backer rod and also sealant to seal everything off like I have here. This is 1 year later and I've had 0 weeds and 0 maintenance needs. So check out this video right here. I'll walk you through all those additional steps so you can get to this state as well, and just ensure there's one less thing to do on your maintenance checklist. So thanks for joining us on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.